Hey guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs. Welcome back to another day, another recap of the gold forex trading market. I'm so excited again to show you guys what happened today because yet again we had one of those absolutely insane days in terms of opportunities. So let's jump right into the video. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs and here we are yet again with another recap of what happened in the XAUUSD gold forex trading market as we all know it. As you know, the gold is usually a metal that kind of holds its value over time, therefore is deemed like a safe heaven for investments, of course. But just because of that, many people are trying to buy gold now, especially with the current market and the current situation in terms of the political world. You know what I'm talking about. So without further ado, we had another crazy day with some really powerful signals, some really strong positions, and I'm so looking forward to show you guys what happened. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, so here we are yet again with another day of the gold forex trading market. And for those of you guys who are new here and new to the channel, hi, my name is Maya, and here on this channel we are learning everything about trading forex, especially gold at this moment. We have an obsession for gold. Either way, this is the time and the place that you'll find educational content and best practices on how to handle the gold forex trading market, because we all know it's one of the trickiest forex markets out there. You can easily get burned, but you can easily get up there. What you see on the screen right here is a perfect example of how your gold forex chart should not look like. And you heard that right. This is a bunch of squiggly lines with loads of trends, I would say, up and down, up and down. It seems like a chop, to be honest, the whole thing. And you don't understand anything that's been happening here because you don't see the behind the scenes picture. But don't worry, just to make your life a lot easier, TradeLabs has come up with one of the best, absolutely best indicators that's out there on the market, one of the most powerful tools that is out there on the market, if not the most powerful tool we have. And I'll tell you why I'm so excited about it. It's just because you can turn with one click of your mouse this squiggly chart into this beautiful chart you see right here on the screen. And you can see this on the screen right now. Is the exact same market day for gold, is the exact same data behind the scenes, is just presented in a better format. And I say better in all categories. It's a proprietary indicator created by us at TradeLabs. This is called the Momentum Trading Indicator. And it's a very unique tool, which is really good at showing you the direction of the gold forex trading market. Now you guys, just to explain what this on the screen is exactly, the green and the red bars you see on the screen, these are the price bars, or the actual price of the market, how the market is moving, if you may. Now the green shapes and the red shapes that you see on the screen, these represent the direction of the market and the market trend. So gone are the days with squiggly charts and really confusing strategies that nobody understands, especially if you're a beginner at forex trading. And especially if you're a beginner in gold forex trading, because that's even harder to do. But don't worry, because we do have the momentum trading indicator on the screen right here. And as you've seen, this is a total game changer for you. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this chart is also notifying you of a starting point of a trend change. In other words, if the market decides to go up, this chart will let you know with a notification. That means that you don't need to spend your whole day watching this chart on your computer or laptop or mobile phone, anything. You just need to wait for that notification and then you can come back to the chart and have a look. For the rest of the day, you can just go on with your business, do as many things as you like, and only come to have a look at the chart when it's actually needed. And as you can see, the momentum trading indicator is reflecting the XAUUSD market quite clearly in comparison to the other chart. This is a night and day difference in terms of clarity of what actions you should take. Additionally, you can see also on the screen right here the small blue arrow. This is where the market has changed and the chart has notified us of the starting point of a trend change. And at that point, the market started to go all the way up. And even right now, it hasn't stopped. It's still going up. So coming back to this snippet that I'm showing you of today's market, and what I want to concentrate on is the exact moment this morning at just around, let's say 6 o'clock, where this market has started to go up. That's where the momentum trading indicator has indicated of the starting point of a trend change, and I also highlighted for you on the screen right here with a large green arrow just for you guys to see the exact moment where the market has changed and has started to go up. This was at a price point of just roughly 18.93. And like I mentioned, this has not stopped yet, and it's still going up with no signs of coming back down. As you can see, the actual trend has beaten the resistance point quite a few times, so it's clearly an indicator that the market is going to continue to go up. And I'm really curious of what exactly is going to happen tomorrow. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the gold forex trading market is really highly dependable on what happens with the world at this point in terms of political news. And we all know what's happening between Russia and Ukraine at this point. This was the point, or the event, if you may, that affected the gold forex trading market the most. Because if you look at the gold forex trading market and the long-term charts and the short-term charts, you would see the past few weeks have been absolutely insane in terms of market growth. Gold has been rallying all the way to the top without any stops, pretty much any kind of forex trader's dream. So if we were to do the math on what we see on the screen right here, and I'm just talking about the potential of this trade, and by the way, we are looking at one trade which hasn't yet stopped. It's still going really strong. So the potential of this trend that you see on the screen, just this little snippet of today, is really to take into consideration in terms of what gold can do in your life if you have the proper tools to discover it. Now, if you stop and do the math on just this opportunity that you see on the screen right here, you would be looking at a difference of just between 1910 and let's say 1890. So we are looking at around 20 points. Now, quick heads up guys, points are not pips. But as you guys know, if you haven't watched my previous videos, it's really easy and straightforward to calculate your pips based on your points. It's just a matter of a short exercise. So basically, in order to get your pips, you need to multiply the number of points that you have with 100, and there you have your pips. So in this case, it's really easy and it's really straightforward. If you have 20 points multiplied with 100, you've got a potential of 2,000 pips in one trend. And now, as you can see, and from the simple math problem that we just solved, we are looking at a rallying market for the gold forex trading today. A rallying market of an upward trend which could have given you a potential of 2,000 pips. That potential is absolutely insane to think about. Absolutely mind-blowing. Anyways, another crazy day in the gold forex trading market, and I'm so here for finding out what will happen next today and how will gold behave tomorrow. But don't worry, we'll be back tomorrow with another video. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and you found it useful and informational and you found some new stuff that you are willing to consider practicing in your daily trading. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. I'm watching you guys. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.